Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to be showing you how the speaker works. So I have 3 different speakers. We'll be taking it apart. Now I'm only going to take apart this one since this one's in worse condition. I have a bunch more of these too, so it's not really a waste. This is ripped. My friend's dad said it could repair it easily, but this is pushed in and like this is wrinkled. And just there's a lot of things bad about it. Now, this is basically a bigger version, but it really only outputs really good bass. Now, I'm going to show you how this works. This one is pretty much the only thing that's different. This is weird, the magnet. This is because this, well, this is actually a bad example. This will not really stick to it. But this is called shielding. Why do we have shielding? Why is a magnet explosive? Is this waste metal? Well, no, it's because if you put this one on a hard drive or anything that is mechanical and that can break with magnet, it will really not. It shouldn't do anything. This one has a magnet and it will. So this is just shielding. Many different reasons. So I'm going to take this one apart. Anyway, as you can see, this goes up and down. So up and down for different frequencies. It does it different things. So this, I think, is this little cardboard ring. I think this just holds the thing, the piece of paper in, or plastic, I think this is. It holds it in. This holds it in better. So it'll work easier. So it holds easier. Now I'm going to be opening this part. Yeah, type of fabric. This is the paper. This is the cone. So basically you can see closely, this goes up and down and stuff. I'm going to get a small battery. This looks like a lot, but it's just 4 D-cell batteries. That's it. So, see, so basically when I do that, it goes forward because it's at full. When I let go, it goes backward. These are the things that flow electricity to the coil. I believe this is called the spider. Okay, so now with this part ripped, you can see the coils now. If you are getting married and you don't have enough money for a ring, you can just use an old $2 speaker and do that. I'm joking. Then right here, it's a metal cone with paper around it. Then the coil is wrapped around that, so I'm guessing so it doesn't short out and stuff. You can salvage 2 things. You can salvage this and the actual driver. Now the driver works as a very good fridge magnet if you don't care about your fridge getting scratched. Okay, I have a screwdriver. Anyway, you can lift the driver off. And as you can see, I got this out. You can mount this and stuff or turn it into ground bees. This is really neat. You can desolder these if you want and have this on everything. These are useful. I'm going to keep this. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.